Okay, so Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Mohammad dan Zackry from lecture group 19 and group 6 of PAgE series 1, which is Kasoi Kaloi. So what is PAgE? Putra Agro Exploration Program, also known as PAgE, is a program that is organized by the ASA Putra to encourage students to love agriculture. The objective of the program is first to encourage the students to love agriculture itself. Next, it can strengthen the bond between each others. And last but not least, it can develop skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and even teamwork. This year, the program was organized in UPM such as Bukit Expo and Lada Kongsi. The program had two series, which our lecture group was in the first series. I would say the program is officially started on the 40th October, but there's a pre-launch of the program which was on 30th October. On the 30th October, we had an ice breaking where we had a short brief, create etches, and make a group headbands. By doing this, we can get to know each other and strengthen the bond from other lecture group. The next day, we continue with having a breakfast, warming up, opening ceremony, and batch distribution. This can make the system more efficient where we did not clash with each other from other groups. The first module that we had was module 2, which consists of 5 games: chapte, bowling, marble, rope skipping, and PVC pipes. So for the first game, which was chapte, where we balance the shuttlecock using our feet. Next, bowling, which we use coconut as the bowling itself. Next, we have marble, where we move a marble from a point to another point using pipes. Next, the rope skipping is like normal rope skipping, but with a lot of people jumping at the same time. Last but not least, we had the PVC pipe, which like konda kondi, but using PVC pipes. At the end of the module, we know that these games really test our teamwork as a team, as it's a team game, not a solo game. Next, module 3, which was salted egg preparation. First of all, we had a briefing on how to do the salted egg. First, we need to clean the eggs thoroughly using water and sponge. After that, we need to immerse it in a salt water in a container. Last but not least, we need to close the container tightly. This activity exposed us on the agriculture sector on how to do the salted egg. After lunch, we continue with module 6, which was lemongrass plantation. First, we had a briefing on how to plant the lemongrass. Next, we do some setup, such as tying a rope on a stick along the field to make as a guidance to plant the lemongrass in a straight line. Next, we continue by digging holes and plant the lemongrass. This activity exposed us to the agriculture sector on how to plant lemongrass. Other than that, it also tests our accuracy and precision, as we need to follow the required measurement of the distance between the lemongrass. That's for the day. We had module 1, which was water activities. We have 5 categories. First, which was the normal swimming. Next, swimming with paddles. Third, holding a rope while crossing the lake. Fourth, riding a platform. And last, kayak. This module really tests our physical abilities, and also it teaches us on how to solve a problem in a critical situation. For example, the swimming itself. We can't be panicked while swimming, as some of us might have phobia with water. So this activity really teaches us to keep calm all the time. The next day, we continue with module 4, which was paintball. We had a briefing on how to play paintball and hold the gun properly. In this module, we need to shoot a target and accumulate points for our group. This module teaches us to be more accurate and precise that can be used later on in our daily life. So for the last module, which was module 5, Dusun Run, which was an orientation activity. First of all, we had a briefing on the activity itself. In this module, we need to use a compass and collect all the stamps in the orchid. This activity teaches us on how to use a compass, and in my opinion, it do test our survivability being alone out there. After all the modules had been completed, we had a closing ceremony, prize giving session, and even a photography session. The conclusions of the PAgE program were it gave us an exposure on the agriculture sector, and it encouraged us to love agriculture. Other than that, this what made it differs from other foundation programs, as not all of the foundation programs have this kind of activity. Last but not least, it boasts useful skills that can be used later in life. However, there are a few suggestions that can make the PAgE more fun in the future. So first, we can do more activities related to agriculture, like expose us more to the agriculture sector. Other than that, we can make the program longer instead of a 2-day activity. Last but not least, instead of 2 series, we can combine it and make it in a series. Like as the saying goes, the more the merrier. So that's all from me. Thank you and bye.